What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here today inside a Toyota 4Runner talking to you about the Homelink system. Homelink is basically a garage door or other remote transmitter that allows you to not have to have that remote in the car. It'll learn that remote code, and then this is now your garage door opener. So you got three options. Looks like this is your little symbol for the Homelink system. This is what it looks like in a 4Runner. It's overhead. Sometimes it'll be on the bottom of your rear view mirror or different locations depending on your vehicle. I always make sure to bust out the book because sometimes things can get a little tricky. First thing, when programming, you want to have the remote 1 to 3 inches away from the device. So if this key was your remote, you're going to press and hold. Hopefully this will work. Press and hold the one you want to program as well as the remote. This little indicator here will change the rate at which it's flashing once it's saved that code. You can then test it. Again, the indicator light will let you know, it'll turn green that it saved the code in there. Some garage door openers are a different system. They're what's called a rolling code system. That's going to require you to actually access the actual box for your garage door opener. If we're looking at a 4Runner, it's page 324, 325, and 326 in your owner's manual. If you have questions, feel free to come on down. You can also give me a call at 503-875-5938. Have a great day.